Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the budget and objective so costs reveal themselves. Set a daily or lifetime budget now because bidding behavior depends on it. Once set, Facebook optimizes delivery against that amount. Then pick the campaign objective, conversions versus traffic versus leads, since Facebook changes auction dynamics and cost per result. Finally, size your audience to a workable range. Too small inflates CPM, too broad dilutes relevance. Make these first moves, and you'll start getting realistic cost signals. Once basics are running, focus on controls that change cost most. Choose a bid strategy, lowest cost for learning, bid cap if you must cap CPA, and understand why each affects auction outcomes. Next, test placements. Different inventory yields different CPMs and CTRs, so split budget to measure effective cost per result. Finally, rotate creative and copy variants to improve relevance score and lower CPC. You're optimizing both the auction signal and user engagement simultaneously, which directly reduces average spend. To finish, analyze performance and scale deliberately. Increase budgets in small increments, 10 to 20%, and watch CPA and ROAS. Once stable, continue scalar steps. Use breakdowns by age, placement, and region to identify where costs spike, because those slices tell you why results change. If costs go up, pause failing ad sets and reallocate to winners, and make sure your tracking is intact. Troubleshooting tip. If CPA suddenly rises, check pixel events and auction overlap first. They are common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.